Very good morning, dear students. In the exercise 7.4, last class we discussed the first two problems. Today we will going to discuss third answers. What they are asking questions see here. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on the circle? And the entrance point of view most important because this year they may delete it, means they cancel your theory exams, so that maximum we are discussing in the entrance point of view only. So on a circle, this is a circle, there are 21 points are there like this, there are 21 points are there. So how many cards can be drawn? You observe, this is a card, or 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 this is a card. Like that, how many cards can be drawn? So very clear. To draw a card means two distinct points we have to select. See here. So clearly we can write number of cards. Number of cards equal to number of this is ways of selecting 2 points from 21 points. Listen here. So number of cards. To draw a card means we have to select any 2 points. So how many points are there? Total 21 points are there. So only 2 points we have to select. Any 2 points. If you select every time 2 points means one card can be drawn. So total points means 21. How many cards we have to select? 2 cards. So how many ways means 21 C2 ways. Nothing but 21 into 20 divided by 2 factorial. Nothing but 10 times cancel. So finally this is 10 cards can be drawn. How many cards can be drawn? 2 cards can be drawn. Same question. How many triangles can be drawn? Means any means here there are 21 points are there. How many triangles can be drawn? Means circumcircles. You observe. Number of triangles. Number of triangles. So 21 points are there. To draw a triangle means 3 points we have to choose. You remember. To draw a cards or to draw a straight lines, 2 points we have to select. To draw a triangle means 3 points we have to select. Number of quadrilaterals. So to draw a quadrilateral means 4 points we have to select. Pentagons means 5 points. So like that, whatever the sides means that many points we have to choose. So this is most important. The number of triangles means 21 C3. So there are n points are there. N points are there means number of cards or number of straight lines NC2. Number of triangles NC3. Number of quadrilaterals NC4. Like that we have to choose. One more question. Suppose in a polygon there are n sides are there. It is a polygon. In a polygon there are n sides are there. Number of diagonals. Number of diagonals. So number of diagonals nothing but you observe what is the formula n into n minus 3 divided by 2 diagonals. So how you got that values? You observe. Number of diagonals. Suppose a polygon has n sides are there. A polygon has n sides. So we need number of diagonals. So number of diagonals equal to, first we have to choose in a plane n points are there. So to draw a diagonal means, listen, for example any quadrilateral we will take. So this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. Means to draw a diagonal means 2 points we have to select. So that is NC and 2 points we have to select. Minus any 2 points means, suppose this point if you select means you will get sides. So sides means how many sides will be there? N sides will be there. We have to delete. So from this is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n. So clearly this is n square minus n. So LCM means 2. This is minus 2n. So n square minus 3n by 2. See here. This is n square minus 3n divided by 2. So if I take n common means n minus 3 divided by 2. So number of diagonals. Suppose quadrilateral if you take means, how many diagonals will be there? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 sides are there. 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2 means 2 diagonals will be there. Or suppose in a polygon, there are 20 diagonals are there. See here, in a polygon, there are 20 diagonals are there. So how many sides will be there in that polygon we have to calculate. So what is the formula for number of diagonals means n into n minus 1 by 2. So very clear. This is n square minus 3n minus 40 equal to 0. So factors. So 8 5s are. So clearly n minus 8 into n plus 5 equal to 0. So n value 18, n value minus 5. So n cannot be negative. So how many sides will be there means 8 sides will be there. Means octagon. So from this there are 8 sides are there. How many diagonals can be found means 20 diagonals can be drawn. So like that we have to calculate. Suppose here n values you are not getting positive means natural number. N value are not getting any natural number. So we can say that there is no polygon existing like that. 20 diagonals are there, 30 diagonals are there, 17 diagonals are there. Like that we have to take. So compulsory n value we should get natural number. Other than natural number we are getting means such type of polygon does not exist. We have to answer. So these type of questions most important in the entrance point of view. So you remember these type of formulas. Okay. Number 4, fourth question you read. How they are asking question? In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected out of 5 boys and 4 girls? So they are given 5 boys, 4 girls. Listen. They given number of boys means 5, number of girls means 4. What they are taking? How many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls? So from this 3 boys we have to select. From this 3 girls they have to select out of 4. So number of ways of selecting, number of ways of selecting 3 boys and 4 girls. 3 boys and 3 girls. See here. 3 boys out of 5 boys are there, 3 can be selected. 5C3 ways. And means multiplication. Out of 4 girls, 3 can be selected. That is 4C3. So 5C3, 5 3 difference 2 into 4 3 difference 1. So 5C2 nothing but 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial. 4C4 means 4. This is 2 times cancel. So this is 2 means 10 into 4. So there are 40 ways we can select. One team means 6 members team. How many teams we can form is 40 teams can be formed. Next. Question number 5. What they are asking, you read the question. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. 6, 5, 5. So first, how many red balls are there? 6 red balls. Red balls nothing but 6. 5 white balls. How many white balls are there? 5. Then 5 blue balls. How many blue balls? Nothing but 5. So from these 3 we have to choose 9 balls. From the 3 colors we have to choose 9 balls. If each selection consists of 3 means 3 balls in each color. So total 9 balls we have to select. In this now 9 balls, how many means here 3 balls, here 3 balls, here 3 balls can be selected. Required number of ways of selecting. Required number of ways of selecting. Ways of selection. So how many selections are there? 3 we have to choose from 6. That is 6C3 and 5C3 and 5C3. Total 9. 3, 3, 3. So 6C3 nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial means 6. 5C3 means 5C2 means 10. 5C2 means 10. So this is 6 cancel. 5 4s are 20 into 100 means this is 2000 ways we can select. So this is the way of answering this type of questions. Next. Next question. Determine question number 6. How they are asking questions today. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of 52 cards if there is exactly 1 As card in each combination. 1 As card in each combination. So total how many cards we have to choose? 5 cards combination. See they determine the number of 5 cards combination. In that 5 card compulsory 1 is ace. 1 is ace card. Number of ways of selecting. See the number of ways of selecting 5 cards. So you observe, in this 5 card, one is ace. Another 4 cards are remaining cards. Remaining cards, you see here. Total 52 cards are there. In these 52 cards, how many ace cards will be there? 4. So out of 4 ace cards, one we have to select. Work is not completed. And remaining 4 cards, remaining 48 cards. So 4 can be selected. So how many ways? This is 4 into 48 C4. C4 means divided by 4 factorial. Denominator 4 factorial. 48 C4 means 48 we have to reduce 3 times. How to reduce C? 48 into 47 into 46 into 45. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we reduce it. So again this is 4 into 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 divided by 4 factorial means 24. So 24 2 times cancel. If you multiply 4 into 2 into 47 into 46 into 45, so finally what you will get answer means 778320. So like this we have to answer. See here, total 5 cards combination, one is as card, remaining 4 cards are other than as cards. So 4 as cards are there, one can be selected, remaining 48, so 4 can be selected. If you simplify this one, you will get answer like that. Next, question number 7. What they are asking question you read. In how many ways can one select a team, cricket team of 11 members out of 17 players, in which only 5 players can be bowled if each cricket team of 11 must be included 4 bowlers. See here. Total 17 members are there. We have to choose 11 members of a cricket team. Total 17 players are there. In these 17 players, 5 are bowlers. Next, remaining 12 members are batsmen. From these 17 members, we have to choose only 11 members. What is the question they given? So, in each team of 11 members, 4 members compulsory bowlers, remaining 7 members are batsmen. See here. Total 17 members are there. Among them 5 are bowlers, remaining 12 members are batsmen. So we have to make one team of cricket team we have to form. In this cricket team 11 members will be there. So in these 11 members compulsory 4 members bowlers should be there. So remaining 7 members compulsory batsmen. We have to choose like this. See here. Total 17 members. 5 members are bowlers. Remaining 12 members are batsmen. So we need only 4 bowlers. The required number of ways. So out of 5 bowlers, 4 can be selected. Next, 7 batsmen. How many batsmen are there? Total 12 members are there. So 7 members we have to select. 12C 7 ways. 5C4 nothing but 5-4 difference 1. 12 7 difference 5. So 12C 5. See here. This is 5 into 12 into, see, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 4. This is 8 divided by 5 factorial. 5 factorial nothing but 120. So this is 120 means 12 10 times cancel. So finally this is 55. 5 into 11 into 72. So how much it is? 5 2s are, this is 10. Again 5, this is 5 2s are 10. Then 5 7s are 35, 36. So 36 means again 360. So finally what is the answer? 0, 6, 9, 3. So how many team of 11 members cricket team we can form means 3960 teams can be formed. So like that we have to answer these type of questions. Okay. Next. Question number 8. You read the question. A bag contains 5 black to 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black to 3 red balls can be selected. So they given 2 colors. One is black. Black, how many balls are there? 5 balls are there. Then second color is red. How many red colors are there? 6 red color balls are there. We have to choose 5 balls. So among these 5 balls, see here, we have to choose only 5 balls. In these 5 balls, 2 are black balls, remaining 3 are red balls. Here total 5 red balls. Required number of ways. Required number of ways of selection. So required number of ways of selections. See here. Total 5 red balls are, 5 black balls are there. 2 can be selected. 5C 2 ways. 6 red balls are there. 3 can be selected. 6C 3 ways. 5C 2 nothing but 10. So if you want you can write split also. 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial into 63. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial. 6 6 cancel. So this is 2 times cancel. 10 into 20. This is 200 ways we can select. Next. Question number 9. You read the question. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? 5 courses they have to choose. If 9 courses are available, 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Listen here. Total 9 courses are there. 9 courses. They have to choose only 5 courses out of 9. In these 5 also, 2 are compulsory for every student. So 2 are compulsory means remaining 7 will be there. So here total 5, already 2 selection over. Remaining 3 subjects can be selected out of 7 because 2 are compulsory. So total 9 subjects are there. See here. Total 9 subjects are there. They have to choose only 5 subjects. Okay. So in these 5 subjects also, 2 are compulsory for every student. Remaining 3 they have to select. So 2 is compulsory means here total 9 subjects. 2 compulsory means remaining 7. So from these 7, they have to choose 3 members. So 3 subjects. How many ways means 7C, 3 ways we can choose. 7C 3 means 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 factorial, nothing but 6. So 35 ways they have to choose. Like that you have to answer. Next. Once you check example number 18. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. So, how many men? 2 members. Women, 3 members. Total 5 members are there. In how many ways? 3 persons is there once again. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men, 3 women. So, total 5 members are there. Okay. 3 members we have to select. In how many ways can this be done? How many ways can this be done? So this can be done. This can be done. Total 5 members, 3 can be selected. That is 5C 3 ways. 5C 3 nothing but 5C 2. 5C 2 nothing but 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial. This is 2 times cancel. This is answer 10. So 10 ways we can select 3 members out of 5. This is the first question. Next, second one. How many of these committees would consist 1 man, 2 women? Required selection. So what is the selection? 1 man and 2 women. So 1 man means how many men are there? 2 members. 1 can be selected. That is 2C 1 ways. 2 women. Total how many women are there? 3 members. 2 can be selected. So 2C 1 means 2. 3C 2 means we can write 3C 1 also. This is 2, 3, total 6 ways can be selected. So 1 man or 2 men, how many ways we can select means 6 ways. Randomly 3 members how to select means 10 ways. In these 10 ways, 1 man or 2 men means 6 ways we have to select. So like this we have to answer example number 18.